Namaste viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Harshita Nathani. You guys might have seen that I post my musical videos on my channel, but today it's a bit different. I recently posted an article termed as body shaming on my Instagram handle. And to be honest with you all, I had only 100 followers until then. And out of those 100 followers, 57 people saved that post. And for me, that was a really big number. Because you can calculate that out of 100%, 57% have been body shamed or bullied due to their body type. So this is a special video coming up today just to make sure that this stops some way or the other, because nobody is always as bold and as confident as maybe you are to face the shame due to their body type. So without wasting any further time, as it is the video is lengthy, I want to start. Please show all the love it deserves and stop bullying and stop body shaming in the name of body type. Dear body, you were never a problem. Bold and beautiful is the new sexy, I know. Hey, look at that fatso. Hello, guys, welcome to my world. This is my world where I have been constantly body shamed by a number of people, and here I am. It leaves me unregretted now, and meet the new me. Fat ass, fatso, goal matol, etc. are the number of names I have got from all sorts of people. There have been times in my life when people didn't talk to me, but they talked about me, considering my body weight, my body shape, etc. Yes, you heard that right. वो देखो मोटी बैठी है. अबे मोटी को बुलाओ यार. चल चल मोटी की मौज लेते हैं. And the list goes on. The society has labeled as us chubby, panda, etc. And I really don't understand how do girls find that cute. That you are being compared to an animal. My friend, you are being compared to an animal that is, that has big dark circles. That is cute, no doubt, but that has big dark circles too. So, being compared to a hairy animal with big dark circles is not at all my type. How crazy, how crazy is that people call you cute by calling a panda, and then the same panda becomes a victim of body shaming? Don't you guys understand that we girls have that sense that, we understand the difference between a panda that is cute and a panda that is meant to. Let me tell you that it is my body type, and when I am comfortable with it, you are nobody the fuck to judge me. It hits me hard, How do people have that cheap audacity to judge you based on your body type? Like, you know what? If you are skinny, then you are a victim of malnutrition. If you are obese, you eat a lot. I mean, they simply assume that you love eating and you eat a lot, you are a foodie, and that then they label you with the name of maybe an elephant. All people want, is a girl with zero figure, having proper bust size, having a flat belly, and a curvy ass. Sorry, I don't belong to that category, and I will not at all suit your body types and your basic stereotypes. You know what? Dude, I am not your wish granting factory. Yes, you heard that right. I am not your wish granting or your need granting factory that I should be exactly the way your criteria define me. Come, let me tell you a thing. Fuck you and your opinions too. You know what? I have been personally attacked so many times due to my body weight. When people see that they cannot defeat me, and I have enough courage to overpower them, you know what they do? All they do is raise questions regarding my body weight. Like, seriously? You think I'll be scared if barbarians like you scream out my weight to everybody? Ah, bitch, God bless you and your thinking. Rather, I'll be the one telling others that if you have that courage within yourself of dressing up that gracefully and carrying yourself up that confidently, come up to me, approach me, do talk to me. We'll sort it out, no? Every time I say something and people are like, बेटा पहले वेट कम कर लो. And I am like, जी क्यों नहीं? आपको तो ऑस्कर मिल गया होगा ना वेट कम करके. Let me also try. Chill, man, chill. We live in a world where people prefer teddy bears to Barbie dolls. Because I bet when you cry, hugging a teddy bear would bring you much more relief than holding a Barbie doll. And guys, seriously, I'm so done with this shit. I am what I am, and I seriously have zero regrets about it. No matter whatever the fuck society labels with me. I could have really lost weight or, become a slim zero figure if it guaranteed me success or respect. You know what? I thought I deserved respect, irrespective of my body type. But never mind. This is who I am, and my body was never a problem. I wanted people to know me for who I am, for my talent, and for my personality. But they chose to give preference to my appearance, though I am pretty and I know it. But clearly now I don't pay heed to such comments. A higher quantity of lipid deposits that I own that are considered than normal don't break my back. I wished I got this idea of self acceptance and self love way back, but better late than never. My body is not a pain to me, nor does it define my potential or who I am as a human being. But one thing I'll definitely make sure is that my family or my kids don't do that to anyone. Because being body shamed is pathetic, but body shaming someone else is even worse. Sorry, not sorry. At last, I would only like to thank you all for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share it to at least 5 of your friends whom you think who have been body shamed. And next time, whenever you see a person who is body shaming someone other, please be the one to stop them. And it hurts. It really hurts. Might be you have never been body shamed, but ask a person who has been. They'll tell you what it cost. Thank you so much.